Alright, so if you click at this video, that means you actually want to know how to get data at a very cheap rate. And the good news is you are on the right channel. Yeah, so welcome to Chatflow Tech, and in today's tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you guys how to get 1 gig of data for just 200 naira and 2.5 gig for just 500 naira. Is that cheap? So instead of giving you guys a generic code that won't work for all network providers, in this video we'll mainly focus on 2 network providers, which is MTN and Airtel, and we'll be giving you guys the code that would actually work for both networks. And that's what I basically use, right? So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. Alright, so for the MTN, you just have to dial *671 and hash, right? And when you're done, click on this and boom, you have this option, right? You click on this, you choose 2 and you choose 2 again. That's for data, and 1 for self whatever, and then 7 for Momo special bundle, and you choose 1 again. And then you have this, right? 1 gig for 200 naira and 2.5 gig for 500 naira. That's for the MTN. So let's select 1 gig for 200 naira. Boom, and then you have it, right? Peasy easy. Now for Airtel users, you just have to dial *939 and then hash. So let's just make it easier. So we dial *77 and then hash. So good, and we choose Airtel. And then we have these options, right? 500 MB for 100 naira, 1.25 gig for 200 naira, 2 gig for 300 naira, 3.2 gig for 500 naira, and 6.5 gig for 1000 naira, and that's 14 days, right? For all this to work, you need 2 apps. You need the Momo app for MTN and Smart Cash for Airtel. For those of you that don't know what Momo app is, Momo PSB, so that's MTN own mobile banking app. You can actually use it to transfer and receive money, buy data, subscribe, and other stuff like that. So let me show you how you can actually get data at cheap rate on this app, right? So when you click at data, these are the ones I've bought so far. So you just have to scroll down and click on Momo special bundles. Now you have this option, 1 gig for 200 naira and 2.5 gig for 500 naira. You just have to select whichever you want and put in your PIN, and that's just it. So for the Airtel users, you have Smart Cash, right? You just have to put in your password or PIN, sign in, and then boom. But right now I'm having issue with the Smart Cash and basically not working. But the thing is, when you open the app, you'll be able to buy data from there. You can either use the PIN or you can buy directly from Smart Cash. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. If you find the video useful, please like this video, share this video, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so you always get notified whenever we drop new videos on this channel. Right now, our aim is to hit 10,000 subscribers before this year runs out, and it's only possible with your support. So please subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.